So this is the second video about variables and data types. I'm going to show you how to convert types and how to concatenate them. So I'm going to start off with a couple of numbers. 1 equals 1, 2 equals 2, total equals num1 plus num2. And if I print that, I will get, hopefully, 3. Because it will actually do the sum because it recognises I've got integers. If I then want to do similar with string, so I could have line 1, is and line 2. And then I want to add them together. So sentence equals line 1 plus line 2. And print sentence, then I want to print out my sentence. Again, it will do it because I've got 2 strings, so it can cope with it. And there you go, you can see Python is great fun. Key thing to remember with concatenation is that when we use commas to build a print statement or to build a variable, we actually get a space put in. When you use concatenation, there are no spaces. So you may have to actually add within a string a space and another plus. And if you run that, you will then get a space come up in between. Python is great fun. So that's just something to bear in mind. So I'm going to get rid of this with the strings. And at the moment, if I've got my num1 and my num2, if I convert this in effect into a string by putting a speech mark around it, it now will not work, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add together an integer and a string, and Python's not quite sure what to do with it. So I can here say convert this into an integer. I'll put an int around it. And now when I print it, it does the sum again. Likewise, I could have converted this to a string. And then what it does is it converts that to a string and it bolts them together. So I've got a 1 and a 2. So just a little bit of an overview of what you can do with the different data types and how you can manipulate them. And Python reacts differently depending on what your data type is.